How to unsuspend TikTok account. Let's get started. First thing first, open your application TikTok. First of all, you need to create one new account and log into it. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And then tap on this three line at the top right corner. Head over to your settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on report a problem. Once again, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find the option of submit a report. Tap on it. You will be landing on this interface. So right here, what you want to do is write the problem that you have been facing on TikTok. You can simply write that your TikTok has been suspended mistakenly and you want to recover your account as soon as possible. You can also enter the email address and the username associated with your TikTok account. If you have the screenshot of the problem, you can also upload it here. And then once you are done, tap on submit. The report will be sent to TikTok support. And within an hour, the TikTok will definitely come up with some solution for you and good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to unsuspend the TikTok account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.